Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a pretty simple project. It's from Maymay, and I do make these for my craft shows. They turn out really cute, people love them, and I'll show you a few that I've made already. So they're these really cute brag books, and people really enjoy buying these at craft shows. So I made a few, and I'm going to make one more on camera. But I will link Maymay below because this is her tutorial. I just changed like one thing very slightly, but they just turn out so cute, and I love her reasoning for these. So they're about the size of like a cell phone, and instead of pulling out a cell phone to show people pictures of your Christmas or your Disney trip or whatever, you can have these really cute like mini albums that have pockets and these really cute like laced, or this one's more of like a floral. They just look really cute, and especially if you have like a sprocket, the pictures that you print out with your sprocket look perfect in these. And it's just such a fun little way to have your pictures stored, and you can have it in your purse and show off your, you know, your kids, your grandkids, your pets, your small trip, anything. So these are the ones that I've made so far. I'll put these to the side, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's not that hard. It's just it uses a bit of supplies is what I would say. So I have this kit that I got from, I think this is My Mind's Eye. Yes. So it all came together. So I have the chipboard stickers. I have, oh, they're over here. I have these layered stickers, I have the 6x6 pad, and I have the enamel dots. So that's kind of what I'm thinking I'm going to use for some of this. I'm obviously not going to use all these supplies. I do like to use the double-sided paper. I have tried in the past with single-sided paper, and it's not that you can't do it with single-sided paper, but the double-sided paper just looks so nice because you'd have to paste. Like for this one, this is the cover and the inside and the first page. So you'd have to paste another piece in there and score them both. I think it's easier to do with double-sided. So the things you'll need for this project is you're going to need some double-sided paper, which I have right here. And you can use 12 by 12 and cut it down. But if you have a 6x6 pad, it's super easy to do with that. So this is my 6x6 pad. You're going to need a scoreboard. You're going to need a paper trimmer. You're going to need a corner rounder. I'm going to probably use, let me see, what did my paper look like? I have different punches over here. I will probably use this punch, and you're going to need a bone folder, and I'm going to use liquid glue. So this is all the supplies you'll need. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out 10 sheets of paper. It doesn't really matter which ones you pick, especially if you're using like a pack like this that has coordinating pieces. But I'm going to try to stick with the florals, I think. So 1, 2, 3, that's pretty, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I don't like that one, 9, that's where it starts over, so let's do this one, 10. So now that I have my 10 pieces of paper, we're going to get our cutter out. And like she did hers in 2 steps, I'm going to do all of it at once because I like to do all of my cutting at once, all of my scoring at once when it's for a project if I can. So we're going to cut 7 of these pages at 6. So they're 6x6. And then we're going to cut 3 pages at 5. So we're going to go 5. So these are going to end up being 5x6. I missed one of the 6x6 ones. All right, so we're gonna do 3 of them at 5x6. And once you have your 3 at 5x6, you're gonna cut them in half so that they're 5x3. So you should have 6 sheets of 5x3. So we are done cutting now. So the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to score these pieces that we cut to 6x6 in half at 3. So I like to make sure that it's the right orientation. So I look at both sides and then I'm just going to score them all at 3. And that is all the scoring that you're going to do. So the next thing I do is I like to look at my paper and kind of see which one do I want to be my cover page. And I think I like this dark blue one as the cover. I think it's very pretty. So we're going to go ahead and fold that in half and burnish it down with our bone folder. Sorry, I was trying to line it up. So that's going to be my cover. And then you're going to want to, I think I want this one to be my back page. No, I kind of like this one. We're going to make this one the back page. It's really pretty. So the reason you want to kind of map that out is because when you go to do this, you have to do the inside out, if that, and this will make sense. So I want this to be my inside page for the second page. So I'm going to score it, or I'm sorry, I keep saying score. So I'm going to fold it like this, where it's on the inside, because you're going to end up making a pocket out of these 2 pages together, and then it will open up from these, like, you have your dark floral cover, your birds, and then this floral. So you just got to pick out what you want on the inside of your brag book and fold it to the inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold these in. Alright, so now that you have your pages picked out, I just put them in the order I want them, and then you're going to want to round the outside corners. So you're going to get your corner rounder. I'm going to do it with the 1/4 inch side, and I'm just going to round all of these. Alright, so all of my corners are rounded, and that's like the bare bones of our brag book. I'm also going to round the corners on the inside of these. And I like to do this all at once so that I can, like, you know, put my corner round to the side. That's part's done. So I'm just going to do the inside corners. And again, I like to make sure they're the right orientation. Some of these floral ones don't really matter, but the one like with the birds, or if it has any writing on it, that does. Okay, so now our corner rounder, we're done with that. It just keeps popping out pieces of paper. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your wet glue and get ready to make these pockets. This is so very simple. So I'm, again, just making sure it's the right orientation. And I am going to put glue around the outside so that there is a pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with this one. And then to line it up, I just kind of eyeball it, but then I use the table to make sure it's straight. So that looks about right. I push down, turn it, push it this way, and then I burnish it together. And that is your first pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the rest of these doing it the same way. Alright, so now the base of your book is done and you have folders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the only thing I do differently with this than what Maymay does is she does another page. And the reason why I left off that extra page is because then I can use 3 sheets of the double-sided paper to make the inserts, and I don't have to cut a page in half and then have an extra page. It's just so that I can like the best use of my paper as possible. So you want to see kind of what you want to have sticking out here. I think that this one would probably be really cute. That's the first one you're going to see. Yes, I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to punch these all out. And then we're going to put them in and then we'll decorate our cover. So I'm going to use this punch to punch them out, and I'll just do that real quick and then I'll come back and we'll do the cover. So now our book has all of the pages and all of the pockets, and I think it looks really, really cute. This is a really pretty paper pack. It's called, oh, what's it called? Splendor by My Mind's Eye, and it's super cute. So I'm gonna look here and see what I have that I want to kind of put on the front. These look very big for these. So maybe we'll do one of these instead. Or this one might be okay. Oh, there's some on the back. Let's take a look at the ones on the back. Silly me. Oh, that one's pretty. I wonder if that'll fit. Let's see. I think that's perfect. So I'm going to put that one on. I'm going to use just a little bit more of the glitter glue on the actual, even though it's a sticker back, I want to make sure that this isn't going anywhere. Especially if I'm going to be selling it and it's not something that I could like fix later if something happens. Alright, so let's stick this on here. It says lovely. And I think that is just so cute. And let's see if there's anything else I want to put on here. Sometimes I like to have like a little secondary tiny thing. So let's look at these stickers that they sent, because I think that a small sticker would be really cute. So these kind of look like almost, yeah, they have like the months on here. So these are like planner stickers, but that's never stopped me before. I think I really like maybe one of these floral ones down here. Yeah, let's do this one. Yep, I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on it. We're just gonna put this little flower right down in the corner. And then that is it. The brag book is done. It was fairly simple, like I said, but it does take, you know, you can get 2 of these out of one 6x6 paper pad usually, depending on how many pages are in there. So this one has 24 sheets. So if you made 2, that's 10 sheets per book. That would basically kill this. You'd have 4 sheets left. So not a lot at all. So the other thing I have that I want to show you guys is I have packaging for this. So I use the clear bags. This is the B37M. It's 3 11/16 by 7 5/16. And they just look so super cute in these. So let me go ahead and slide this in so you can see what I mean. It's like the perfect size. And then there you have it. It's ready to go at your craft show. I also sell these on my Etsy. I do sell these for $15 a piece. They are like mini albums, like mini little brag books. So I feel like that's a fair price. I'm going to do a real quick flip through of this again, just so you can kind of see. So you got your first page here, has these cute birds, the floral, really pretty floral, love that. The cuckoo clock, the wreath, the floral, some like pink stripes, and then you have your back. So I love these. They're super simple to make, and it uses up so much of your 6x6 double-sided paper that sometimes I don't know what to do with. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And as always, you can follow me here on YouTube. If you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.